Hey, good afternoon, Jitz University business page and our community group. I wanted to do this quick walkthrough of our two apps, getting a lot of interest, a lot of traffic, which is fantastic. But some of the questions I've noticed are what's inside. So let me just walk you through really quickly, real briefly, so you can see exactly what is inside. Now, I'm going to start with the Instructors app, which is right here, this Jitz University app. Now, you get this Jitz University app through Google Play or the iOS, Apple, iTunes store, okay? You type in Jitz University, create your own login, which is your username, password, and then we will give you the studio code for you to access this app. Now, everything in this app is all of our done-for-you rotating curriculum. So all the lessons, all the lesson plans, from Tiny Ninjas, Little Ninjas, Junior Warriors, and then our teens, and that includes the beginners, intermediate, and advanced as well. So these are all the lessons, games, warm-ups, drills that you could ask for, really, and this is where you would go. So let's say you would use our Jitz U curriculum. You go to the rotating curriculum right here. Let's see Little Ninjas, and what you'll see is the curriculum is already done for you, but it's meta-linked. So you go and say, okay, what am I teaching today, right? So you go, and again, this is downloadable, right, desktop. You go and see how these are all highlighted right here, guys. So when you click on it, it leads you directly to the lesson, okay, which is pretty awesome. So again, these are all our done-for-you lesson plans, all right? And that's what this Instructors app is mainly used for, all right? Now, let's back out. And let's go over the Owners app. So this is our new Teachable platform, and this has everything, right? So this has everything that you would see through the desktop, right? All of our courses, all of our, just, you know, everything. So one of the main things that, or main questions is what's inside our marketing department, right? Which is, you know, always a really fantastic question, right? You know, how do you generate more traffic? How do you retain the students? How do you, create more revenue streams, right? And so, a lot of it begins in the marketing department, right? And then, of course, the lifeblood of your business. So let me walk you through what we have in the marketing department. So the marketing department, you're going to start off with the Facebook, okay? We teach you how to connect your Facebook ads with your website, right? With your pixels, how to optimize your business page. Then we go and we explain, we help you set up your SEO, Google reviews, Google My Business, explain all the importance of that. Then we have our marketing in-house events, right? These are all our proven in-house events that we do. And then Instagram is the one that I head up. And actually later on this week, guys, I'll be doing an Instagram live Facebook training as well, all right? Moving on, email, right? Swipe files, the Power 3. I love the Power 3. That's pretty much anything you do. Try to have 3 different ways to utilize it, right? Offline marketing, right? So this is when you're working with your local community 3 to 5 miles around your academy, right? These are all the different marketing strategies to do that. And then at the end of the month, I'll be coming up with our YouTube, all right? So, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube are just, they're massive, right? And then of course, Google are just massive, marketing tools for your academy, all right? So let's go real quick into the business department. So this is our brand new business department that we created. One of the fantastic challenges that was happening with members is we had so much content. It was like, okay, where do we start? I don't know how, where do I go? So we created this business department. So literally step by step, you would start with a success mindset and just go all the way through this whole thing. I mean, A to Z will pretty much sets you up with just about anything you would want for for your business to thrive, right? To succeed. And then, of course, you go into the library, and that gets a lot more extensive, detailed training, right? So if you go into our library, this has all of our courses, right? So perfect jiu-jitsu class course, upgrade programs, 2-week onboarding, rockstar sales process. I mean, everything that you would need to really maximize all the things that you should be having inside your academy. All right. So does that make sense, guys? And let's see, let's go into our study hall. So our study hall, this has all of our latest and greatest, hacks for business and marketing, right? So, everything's changing, everything is tweaked, and as we discover new proven ways to do things, to tweak things, we, create these quick, anywhere from 2 to 5 minute, 6 minute videos to show you, what recently has been working, okay? So we challenge ourselves with always trying to be, ahead of the game when it comes to, social media and digital marketing, all right? So that's in a nutshell, guys. I mean, I can go on and on about this, but that's just a quick overview of our apps. And of course, you know, this is the owner's app, and which obviously has a desktop friendly platform, right, as well. So let us know if you guys have any questions at all, and